In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very easy and simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. This is the settings page as you can see. Scroll down, go to apps, and after that go here to the top, click on apps, scroll down, go to Instagram. If you didn't find Instagram between those apps here, just search for it in the search bar, click on it and go down here to app details, and after you click on it, it will take you to the Play Store, and right here all what you have to do now is click on update if there is a new update, and after that go back, and this time all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.